there's a wide range of cafe tables that we offer. When I talk to the team and we are putting together a plan for any breakout space or kitchen area, do you want to sit at a high table like a counter, or do you want to sit at a cafe table? As you can see here, this is our sapphire cafe table with a 450 diameter base with a white top. Now, with all the product in the cafe section and actually across the JSNL business, what we try to do is have a tailored set of stocked products. What does this mean? Basically, it means that we have a number of different colors in tops, number of different sizes, anywhere, talking about from a round table perspective, 600 right through to a 1200 diameter top. And then you can say, okay, well, do I like a black sapphire disc base? Or, if you come over here, would I prefer to have a white cross tilt base? If you're looking for something a little bit cleaner and lighter, are you looking to add a little bit of gold throughout your office? And so as you can see, we can go and we can take, a natural oak here, decide on whether you want a square top, a round top, a rectangle top, and select a number of different bases in order to achieve a particular look or particular use that you're trying to create in your cafe or breakout space.